torrential rain has caused devastating floods in southeastern Spain. The country has been hit hard by the NDNews and isolated low water level at high water levels. The towns of Torrent, Paiporta and Chiva have been hit hardest. The town of Chiva, near Valencia, has seen more than a year's worth of rain in 8 hours. Footage shows floodwaters wreaking havoc across the wide region. The torrential waters have swept away bridges and dragged cars through streets. Many have spent the night on the roofs of cars, shops and petrol stations waiting to be rescued. The torrential waters have knocked people off their feet, while others have struggled to hold on to trees.
Chicas, asomaros del vernos. ¡Ay!
Much of the country has been hit hard by heavy rain and hail. Local media have also reported damage in the Balearic Islands.
Coche nuevo destrozado. Hay que ver, es que de verdad un pedazo de bola han caído.
There have also been reports of tornadoes and large hail. Hurricane force winds broke trees and worsened the condition of cities. In Colliere, Valencia, the Duque River burst its banks, forcing evacuation in areas such as Valor, Alicante and Marinet. Emergency services are struggling to operate at maximum capacity.
Madre mía. Me cago en la puta.
The city of Chiva was one of the first to feel the fury of the flash floods. The city streets turned into rivers, cars, street lamps and benches were washed away by the torrent of water.
Uno es peor que estos. Ahí ya no.
The civil defense did not send a warning to residents of the Valencia region for more than 2 hours. Almost all the main roads are closed, as well as secondary ones. In the Valencia region, 490 millimeters of rain fell in 8 hours, the equivalent of a year's rainfall. The Valencia region has been placed on red alert, with parts of Andalusia on the second highest alert. The floods have caused disruption to transport, with several flights heading to land in Valencia being diverted to other cities and others cancelled. All rail services in the region have been suspended.
No lo sé, no sé quién es. Ni nosotros tampoco sé quién son.
All schools and sporting events have been suspended and parks will remain closed. Many factors contribute to flooding, but the warming atmosphere caused by climate change increases the likelihood of extreme precipitation. The world has already warmed by about 1.1 degrees Celsius since the start of the industrial era. And temperatures will continue to rise unless governments around the world take drastic action to reduce emissions. Climate change is happening at breakneck speed.